We're going to be factorising 3x plus 6 and 5x minus 15. And to do that, we're going to look for the highest common factor of the two numbers in the expression. So the example on the left for 3x plus 6, where the highest common factor of 3 and 6 is going to be 3, because 3 can be divided by 3 and 6 can be divided by 3, and that is the biggest number that is that's 3 and 6 can be divided by. Yeah, because 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. That's there. So 3 is the highest common factor. So in the method, 3 would then be written on the outside of the brackets. Okay, so remember, this is the same as reversing expanding brackets. And then we have to fill in the brackets, and we do that by dividing the original question by the highest common factor. So because the highest common factor was 3, we can then use that to divide 3 and 6 by 3 to get the numbers on the inside. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we write 1x because the x just sticks along, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it's going to be plus 2. Right? If we expand those brackets, we're going to get 3x plus 6. For the second example, the highest common factor of 5 and 15 is going to be 5, because 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 3 is 15, or 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. There isn't a bigger number that can be used to divide 5 and 15 by. So 5 goes on the outside. Then to work out what goes on the inside of the brackets, we do 5 divided by the highest common factor, which is 1x, and then 15 divided by the highest common factor, which is 3, sorry, and the minus falls into place.